Let's start drawing the game tree for gardening example. Remember, this is a sequential game, and we assume that Emily decides first, then Nina, and then Talia. So, we'll start drawing the tree with Emily. So, here I am writing E that stands for Emily. Then, what are the opportunities for Emily? As you remember, Emily has two choices. One of them is to contribute, and the other one is to not contribute. I'll write C for contributing, and D for not contributing. After Emily makes her decision, let's say it's Nina's turn. Now, Nina should decide either to contribute or not. So, I am writing N for Nina here, and here. Alright. She also has two options. Contribute or not to contribute. As you can see, we're drawing the game tree by giving branches in every decision points, and we call these decision trees as nodes. Okay. Let's continue. After Nina makes her decision, finally it's Talia's turn. She will choose to contribute or not before the game ends. So again, we are giving two branches in every decision nodes. Alright. Our game tree is ready. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible outcomes for this game. Let's type the scores for these possible outcomes. These scores are coming from the previous video where we give points to different outcomes. If you haven't watched it yet, just go and watch it to understand the scoring logic. We'll just type them here to see the scores in each branch. I'll write here the first letters of their names, and the scores will be in the same order. Alright, now it looks like a table and we can enter the values. Let's start with the upper one. In this path, everyone chooses to contribute. That's why they all get a nice garden with cost. So all of them gets 3 points. In the second outcome, Talia didn't contribute while others did. So she didn't pay but get a nice garden as well. So she gets 4 points while others get 3 points. How about the third outcome? This time Nina did not contribute but the others did. So, 3 points for Emily and Talia and 4 points for Nina. In the fourth outcome, things are a bit different than the others. Attention here, do you think they can get a nice garden? No, they cannot. Because the majority didn't pay for it. So here, only Emily paid for a nice garden. That's why she is in the worst situation. Others also cannot have a nice garden, but at least they didn't pay anything. For that reason Emily gets 1 point while others get 2. With the same logic, I'll fill out the rest of the table. You can stop the video here, and fill it with your own. Okay. Now that we have the scores for all outcomes, we can make inferences and solve the game in the next video.